पिला माने तुमको आज पीरियड को समस्त को स्वागत। आमे गत क्लास रे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस विषय पढ़ी मु आउ थे तुम मान मन पकई दूची। कंपाउंड सेंटेंस has more than two independent clauses, two or more than two independent clauses, and those two independent clauses are joined by a coordinator. A sentence having two or more than two independent clauses joined by coordinator are called compound sentences. We have studied about compound sentences in the last class, and in compound sentences you will find a coordinator. We have studied detailed about coordinators. There are 16 coordinators. 16 coordinators in English, and you will find one of these 16 coordinators in a compound sentence. Let us study about some coordinators in details today. As I have told you before, coordinators like either dot dot or, your second is neither dot dot nor, third is not only dot dot but also, and your fourth one is both dot dot and. These are the 4 coordinators. Out of these 16 coordinators, these are the 4 coordinators. Mark these 4 coordinators. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. देखो, each of these coordinators consist of 2 parts. देखो, one is either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. All these 4 coordinators, each of these coordinators has 2 parts. One is either or. Here neither nor, here neither is one part, nor is one part. They go in pairs. These coordinators go in pairs. They are correlated with each other. And they join 2 alternatives. So they have another name. They are coordinators. They are also called correlatives. Correlatives or correlative coordinators. They are called correlatives or correlative coordinators. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. Let us study the use, how to use these 4 correlatives or 4 coordinators. How we should join 2 simple sentences using either or, neither nor, not only but also, and both and. Suppose there is a sentence, he is listening to the radio. Another sentence is, he is playing cricket. He is listening to the radio, he is playing cricket. If we join these 2 sentences, ये दुटा वाक्य को जदि हमें जोड़िबा, देखो, it is a simple sentence, this is also a simple sentence. If we join these 2 sentences using either or माने one of these 2 alternatives, दुटा भितर गोटे एटा किंबा सेटा. देखो, he is listening to the radio, he is playing cricket. आमे देखो join करिबा either or लगेकी, देखो which is the common item? He is. This is common item. So we should not repeat the common item while using either or. जो जिनसटा common जाउची ताकू repeat करिया दरकार नै. तन which is the common item? He is. This is the common item. In both the sentence you will find he is. एठी भी he is अछि, एठी भी he is अछि. He is, then listening to the radio. What is the different? This is the different part. Playing cricket and listening to the radio. He is either listening to the radio or playing cricket. He is either listening to the radio or playing cricket. Either or एटा किंबा सेटा से रेडियो शुणुची किंबा क्रिकेट खेलुची. देखो दीटा जो जिनटा कमन जाऊँगी केवल डबल बसबनी. हिज टाक डबल बसवा दरकार नहीं, रिपीट करिया दरकार नहीं. जोटा कमन आइटम से थरे बसुची. देख हिज डिफरेंट आइटम कोटा लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. तेणु आ पूर्व बसीगला आइदर, आ पूर्व बसीगला कौन और. तेणु आम देखा सब बेले देख ही इज आइदर लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो और प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. दिस इज द यूज ऑफ आइदर और. नेक्स्ट आइदर और माने दीटा भितर गोटे एटा किंबा सेटा. वन ऑफ दीज टू अल्टरनेटिव्स. से रेडियो शुणुची किंबा क्रिकेट खेलुची, दीटा भितर गोटे. दिस इज आइदर और. नेक्स्ट नाइदर नर. नाइदर नर जॉइन्स टू नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. Neither nor joins two negative sentences. He did not speak. Another sentence is he did not write. These are two negative sentences. नाइदर नर से कहला नहीं कि लिखला नहीं. नाइदर नर जॉइन्स टू नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. दीटा भितर कोटा नुहे. देखिए कौन कॉमन जाउची. ही डिड नॉट. दिस इज द कॉमन आइटम इन बोथ द सेंटेंस. दिस कॉमन आइटम. देखो ये सेंटेंस रो ही डिड नॉट अच्छी, ही डिड नॉट अच्छी. अच्छा जदि नाइदर नर इटसेल्फ नेगेटिव, नाइदर नर होची नेगेटिव, तेणु नाइदर नर जेहेतु नेगेटिव आउ नॉट बसबनी. ये नॉट दीटा बसबनी. नॉट न बसिले किए बसबनी, डिड भी बसबनी. देख ये ऑक्सिलरी कहीं बस नॉट बसची बोली डिड बसची. ही डिड राइट हुए कि ही डिड स्पीक हुए कि इट नॉट अच्छी बोली डिड नॉट. ही डिड नॉट स्पीक, ही डिड नॉट राइट. तेणु कौन कमन गला. ही कमन जाऊे. देख पिला ही खाली कमन जाऊे, आउ किसी कमन जाऊनी. तेणु ही नाइदर एटा डिड नॉट पास्ट टेंस अच्छी. ही नाइदर व्हाट स्पोक nor write. Nor wrote. Past tense did not touch. Nor wrote. He neither spoke nor wrote. जदि जेहेतु नाइदर नर होची नेगेटिव तेणु आउ एठी डिड नॉट बसिया दरकार नहीं. तेणु एटा कौन हो. ही स्पोक, ही रोट. कॉमन गला ही जाउची कॉमन. तेणु ही नाइदर स्पोक नर रोट. This is about neither nor. Next is your not only but also. Not only but also. He advised me. He also helped me. Mark. He advised me. He also helped me. It common कौन. ही not only. He not only advised me but also helped me. सबुदारे कॉमन कौन जिन को रिपीट करबनी. से केवल मत उपदेश देले नहीं, मत मध्य साहाय्य कले. ही नॉट ओनली एडवाइज्ड मी बट ऑल्सो हेल्प्ड मी. This is not only but so. Both end. Another correlative is both end. Both end. He danced. He danced in the party. He sang. in the party. Say he come on. He both danced and sang in the party. से उभय पार्टी नाचिला एवं गाइला. He both danced and sang in the party. He come on जाउची. So one thing you must remember in your mind while using these correlatives, these 4 correlatives. पिला माने तुम देख एठी both पर कौन बसिला verb, end पर भी देख verb दीटा का एठी both and का जोड़ुची danced को sang सहित जोड़ुची ताने both पर जहाँ रहिबो जो पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो एंड पर सही पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो नहले भूल हिजो. देख मु तुमको गोटे सेंटेंस लिखुची तमे बाकीटी को देख समस्ते. समस्ते आमे देखिबा. He borrows not only money but also steals it. Mark the sentence. हेठी देख पिला माने not only पर रहिला money noun not only पर noun रहिला इडी but also पर steals होची verb रहिला. तेणु ये ठीक अच्छी ना भूल wrong. This is just wrong sentence, incorrect. The sentence is incorrect. कारण नॉट ओनली पर जो पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो बट ऑल्सो पर सही पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो. एठी कोन हला नॉट ओनली पर नाउन रहि गला एठी बट ऑल्सो पर कोन हला वर्ब हला. एना को ठीक कले कोन हबो रा करेक्टटा कोन हबो ही नॉट ओनली borrows money but also steals it. देखो नॉट ओनली पर borrows verb रहिला but also पर steals रहिला verb. इटा ठीक. This is right. This is incorrect. ये sentence टा incorrect, wrong. कारण here not only is followed by a noun here but also followed by a verb. But here not only is followed by a verb but also is also followed by a verb. सही बेला नाइदर पर जदि verb रहिला नॉर पर verb रहिबो. नाइदर पर जदि adjective रहिला नॉर पर adjective रहिबो. नॉट ओनली पर जदि verb रहिला but also पर verb रहिबो. नॉट ओनली पर जदि finite verb रहिला but also पर finite verb रहिबो. तेणु सेही पई दीटा पार्ट both these parts are followed by the same parts of speech. दीटांग पार्ट नॉट ओनली पर जहाँ रहिबो बट ऑल्सो पर सेया रहिबो. नाइदर पर जो पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो नॉर पर सही पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो. आइदर पर जो पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो और पर सही पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो. तेणु you must remember this thing in your mind while using these correlatives. Both the parts of the correlatives are followed by the same parts of speech. Here not only joins borrows with steals. इटी not only but also काहे को जोड़ुची borrows को का सहित steals सहित. एठी किंतु कोन हे गला money को steals सहित भूल. noun को verb सहित नहीं verb को verb सहित. One thing you must remember. So this is all about your compound sentence. Now let us study what a complex sentence is. As I have stated you earlier that a complex sentence is a type of sentence. A complex sentence is a type of sentence in which you will find an independent clause and one or more than one dependent clause. Suppose he said that he played cricket. He said that he played cricket. He said that which are the two clauses? This is clause 1. This is clause 1. This is clause 2. These are the two clauses in the sentence. He said is a clause and that he played cricket is an another clause. Mark the sentence. Here said is the verb. If I ask, he said what? What did he say? What did he say? से कौन कहला? से कौन कहला? ना जे से क्रिकेट खेलीथिला बोली कहला. देखो यही अंशटा यही पार्टा मुझे पचारे व्हाट डिड ही से देखो से कौटी अच्छी फास्ट क्लज रे फास्ट क्लज रो वर्ब होची से ताकू नहीं जब मुझे प्रश्न करे व्हाट डिड ही से ना दैट ही प्लेड क्रिकेट तेणु ये दैट ही प्लेड क्रिकेट व्हाट प्रश्न रो जे उत्तर दिए ताकू कौन कहती एटा होची ऑब्जेक्ट कहार ऑब्जेक्ट सेड रो मन रख हियर क्लॉज 2 is the object of the verb said is the object of the verb said in the first clause. Of the first clause. देखो first clause रे अच्छी said द्वितीय क्लजटी यही सेड रोचे ऑब्जेक्ट ये पूरा ऑब्जेक्टा हूँ या दैट ही प्लेड क्रिकेट से कौन कहला ना जे से क्रिकेट खेलीथिला बोली कहला यहीटा हूँ ऑब्जेक्ट कहार ना फास्ट क्लज रो वर्ब रो ताले मते कुह किए कहार अंश एटी सेकेंड क्लजटा फास्ट क्लज रो अंश ना फास्ट क्लजटा सेकेंड क्लज रो अंश मते कुह व्हिच इज यूज्ड एज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ अनदर क्लज देखो सेकेंड क्लजटा ऑब्जेक्ट फास्ट क्लज सेकेंड क्लज रो किछि अंश नुहे बरं सेकेंड क्लजटा फास्ट क्लज रो गोटे अंश सेड रो गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट होची से ताने हियर सेकेंड क्लज इज यूज्ड एज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ फास्ट क्लज सेकेंड क्लजटा फास्ट क्लज रो गोटे अंश भाव रे व्यवहृत होईची तेणु एटा इंडिपेंडेंट ना डिपेंडेंट मते कहलो एटा सो दिस इज ए डिपेंडेंट क्लज. This is a dependent clause. It is a dependent clause because here this clause is used. This clause has been used as an element of first clause. ये first clause रो ये गोटे अंश और व्यवहृत होइछि. मते कुह first clause टा is it an element of another clause? No, it is not an element of another clause. It makes a good sense. It can stand by itself as a sentence. It conveys the full meaning of its own. So it is an independent clause. Independent. This is an independent clause. It is an independent clause. Is dependent clause is otherwise known as subordinate clause. This dependent clause, so this clause is a dependent clause. Why is it a dependent clause? Why is it called a dependent clause? Because it is used as an element of first clause. एटा first clause रो गोटे अंश और first clause कहार अंश सेड रो ऑब्जेक्ट भाव रे व्यवहृत होइछि ही सेड टा फर्स्ट क्लज किंतु ये कार एलिमेंट भाव रे व्यवहृत होइनि तेणु ये डिपेंडेंट क्लज इज अदर नोन वाइज व्हाट सबऑर्डिनेट क्लज. Subordinate clause. Dependent clause is otherwise known as subordinate clause, but in short form it is called SC. SC. Subordinate माने जानिଛ तो पिला माने lower in rank, lower in position. एटा गोडियार कहନ୍ତି अधस्तन जार मान कम एरो मान कम कारण ये आर अंश डिपेंडेंट ये स्वाधीन नुहे से को सबऑर्डिनेट क्लज बोली कहନ୍ତି. सबऑर्डिनेट माने लोअर इन रैंक लोअर इन पोजीशन अधस्तन कहते सबऑर्डिनेट ऑफिसर subordinate officer subordinate. This is a subordinate clause, but this clause has a lower rank than this clause, but this is the independent clause. This is otherwise known as what main clause, otherwise known as main clause, or in short form it can be called MC. So in complex sentence, what is the difference between compound and complex sentence? In a compound sentence, you do not find any subordinate clause. In compound sentences, both the clauses are independent. Because in compound sentence, one clause is not a part of another clause. But in complex sentence, you will find this clause is part of that. So this is a dependent clause. So this is an independent clause. So the sentence in which you will find an independent clause and one or more than one dependent clause or subordinate clause is called a complex sentence. Is called a complex. जब ओडिया में जटिल वाक्य बोली कहती. Then what is a subordinate clause? Subordinate clause काहू कहबा? एटा गोटे subordinate clause. का कहबा? The clause which is used as an element of another clause. The clause which is used as an element of another clause is called a subordinate clause, or that is otherwise known as dependent clause. ये आर गोटे अंश, ये आर गोटे अंश. But what is an main clause? Main clause is an independent clause which is not used as an element of another clause. It can stand by itself. निजे गोटे निजे ठिया परिबो. It makes a good sense. It conveys the full meaning of its own. So this is a main clause, independent clause, or this is a subordinate clause. And in which sentences will you find subordinate clauses? In complex sentences. In simple sentences, in compound sentences, there is no subordinate clause, but in complex sentence you will find what? Subordinate clause. Let us write some another example. Let us write some another example. He told me what he had heard. He told me what he had heard. Which is the main clause? This is a complex sentence. This is the main clause and this is the what? This is the subordinate clause. This is the main clause, this is the subordinate clause. He is honest. He is honest, although he is poor. Which is the main clause? This is the main clause. And this is the what? This is the subordinate clause. So in complex sentence, you will find both main clause and subordinate clause. Here this is the main clause, this is the subordinate clause. Let's see types of subordinate clause. खाली जानी था परे पढ़िबो पर चैप्टर जेतले जीवो तमे जानिबो सब जे subordinate clause you will read about subordinate clause in details. There are three types of subordinate clause. One is your noun clause, second is your relative clause, and the last one is your what? Adverb clause. These are three types of subordinate clause. We will read in details about noun clause, relative clause, adverb clause in the latter part of your grammar book, and this is all about your types of sentences. Let us summarize what we have studied about types of sentences. There are three types of sentences: simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. In simple sentences, we will find only one clause. Sentences having one clause is called a simple sentences. Compound sentences and complex sentences have more than one clause. In compound sentence, you will find two or more than two independent clauses joined by a coordinator. Joined by a coordinator is called a compound sentences. And in complex sentence, we will find a main clause or an independent clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses. So this is, students, this is all about your types of sentences. Thank you. This is for today. Very good.